Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. How are we doing today? Today we're going to do a little more of Excel practice using this Excel practice data set. In case you want to tag along with me, write in the comment section that you want the practice sheet and I will send it to you. So let's go to number one question. Question number one. And the question states, create a condition to alight income above 70,000. So every income above 70,000, we're going to alight it in green. Now, and below and include, so any income below and including 7,000, we're going to change it to red. So anything above 70,000 in green, anything 70,000 and below, we'll do that in red. To do that, we have to use a conditional column. Bear with me, let me show my tabs. Okay, to do that, you copy this first, copy the entire income column. Now go to your home key, go to conditional formatting. Now alight cells row. Now we said anything above 70,000 should be what? In green. So we're going to input 70,000 here. Okay. Now let's fill with green and okay, you can use this or you can still come to custom format. Select the exact one you want. Click on this and what? Okay. Now we have everything above 70,000 in green. Now the next question states below and including 70,000 should be in red. So let's come back here. Let's see if we have that. Now we have less than and equal to. Now instead of using two different formula to do both of them for below and including 7,000, we can create more rules. Let's create the rules. So let's come to this place and you said cell value. Yes. Greater than, now we say less than or equal to. So anything less than or equal to 70,000 should be where? Let's go to format. Now we want what? Red. And you go to OK and OK. Now we have this. Answer the question. Above 70,000, we can see they're in green. Now 70,000 and below are in red. We're done with question number one. Let's go to question number two. Now we said calculate the bonus amount in the blue area. This is the blue area. If not over 60,000, leave blank. Now bonus amount in the blue area. If not over 60,000, leave blank. So every employee that has a revenue above 60,000 is entitled to a bonus. Anything below 60,000, they're not entitled to a bonus. So we are going to use an if formula to do this. So equals to if, logical test, if this is greater than the minimum revenue 60,000, then what should happen? This times this. If not, leave blank. So we have to put in quotation mark space for the blank, comma, open your quotation space, close quotation and close your brackets. Now, in order for us to drag it, we have to use our what? Absolute reference. If not, we'll get null as our values. To do that, we're going to come up here. We're going to lock this 7, I7, that is this minimum revenue and the 60%, so it can reflect in the table. So use your dollar sign and let's go to the bonus. Use your dollar sign also. Enter. Now we see it's already blank. Yeah, it's blank because this is not above 60,000, it's 60,000. So let's drag down. Now, this is 65,000, 75,000. We see 41,000 don't have 80,000, 64,000, and so. So that's all for question number two. Let's go to question number three. Now let's read the question. It says, separate the department and region column into two different column in the blue areas. So here we have department and region together. Now we want to separate them. We want skill tech to be a department. We want Lagos the region. So we want them separately. To do that, we're going to use text to column to do that. So what do we do first? I like the cell. I like everything. So then go to data. This is text to column. Click on this. Now we want to split by delimiter. So we'll just say next. Now, normally IntelliSense might just look at the denominator. That's what is sorry, the thing separating them, and is this underscore. If you don't have it here, you just shift and this underscore. Go to your next button. Now it's already divided. It's asking you what destination do you want this to go to. So click on this and click on this place and press enter. Then you click on finish. Okay, now we have it. We have department Skill Tech Lagos, Biscom, Abuja, and so. Oh, we didn't select this. So let's do that again. We didn't select everything. So let's go back to question number three and select everything. It's important for us to do everything at the same time. So go to data, text column, delimiter, yes, next. It's already showing that it's underscore there, so we just leave it as that. Next, the destination, click on this arrow, click here, enter, and finish. And we have everything here now. So let's go to the next question, question number four. Now we said use a pivot table to find the total sales and average discount by product category. Okay, so let's call in a pivot table. Click on any cell here, go to insert, click on your pivot table. Now we want to use the same worksheet. So let's just click existing worksheet. Click on the arrow. We want it to be here. Enter and go to what? Okay, so we have this. So let's take our product category to row and let's take our sales to value. So these are our sum of total sales. 1,741,200. Okay, and it asks us to find the average, also the average discount. So let's take discount to this place. Now we don't want the sum of discounts, we want the average discounts. So go to value field settings, click on average and what's okay. Now we have both here. We have our sum of sales and we have our average of discounts. And that's all for question number four. Let's go to the next question number five. Now they said we should use two different formulas to find Ngozi's income. Okay, so let's see how much Ngozi earned. We're going to use two formula. We're going to use X lookup to find it. And we're also going to use index and match. Two in one formula. We use index and match to do that. So let's go to X lookup. So equals to X lookup. Now, what is our lookup value? Definitely is Ngozi, comma. What is our lookup array? That means where are you looking for Ngozi in? Yes, we're looking for her in name. This place. Next is return array. That's what do you want to return to you. We want to know Ngozi's what income. And let's close our brackets, enter. And we have that here, 64,280. So let's cross check. We have Ngozi here and it's 64,280. Now let's use another formula, index, to get Ngozi's income. To do that, we use equals to index tab. Now it's asking us row array and is our income. Let's place. It's your comma. The next question is asking us is what? So we have to use the match because we want to match two. So we just press match, pick this in. Next, we're going to select Ngozi, lookup array, Ngozi, comma. And next, it said, sorry for the breaking down. So next, we're going to select the name, this name column. That's all. We're going to close our bracket twice because we have two formulas here. So we'll close it twice, enter. And we still have 64,280 for Ngozi's income. That's all for question number 4. Let's get on to question number 6. So it says, remove the parentheses and everything inside of it for each contact company. So we want to remove this bracket and everything inside. Now, let's see the challenge we might have now. We see that the numbers are not equal. We would have easily used maybe something like the left formula to do this, but the numbers here are not equal. They're not of equal size, so we cannot do that. So we're going to use a different formula. We're going to use find and replace. To do that first, sorry, my battery is getting low. Let's copy this. Soon be done. Now we've highlighted the cell or the columns we want to do. Next, let's take Control H. I've done this before, that's why this is coming up. Now you said find what? Now we want to find everything inside a bracket. So we have to, but with this now, we are not telling it what's inside the bracket. So let's just put asterisks inside to shows that whatever is inside the bracket, we don't want it. Replace it with blank. So we're not going to put anything here. Next, just click on what? Replace all. And it said all done. We have made 11 what replacement. Click on OK. Close. Ta-da! And you have this fully replaced and clean